More money, I want your money. I want more money, I want your money. More money, I want your money. I want more money, I want your money. More money, I want your money. I want more money, I want your money. More money, I want your money. I want more money.
Hello visionary beauties, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new to my channel, a huge welcome to you as well. I would love for you to be a part of my beauty community here on my channel. I really do appreciate everyone for even clicking over to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so much you would never even know. I come on here and I do this pretty much just for you guys, and I really do love you guys, and you guys keep me going. With that said, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that alert notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you won't miss another upload from yours truly. So let's get into this slay. If you want to see more in this gorgeous green with envy hair and these nails, please continue to watch. So today's review was a collaboration with Black Hairspray. They sent me this gorgeous unit also with these nails. This is the Empress lace wig lace front edge, natural parting from edge to crown, and tan tied, and it's their natural center part premium 100% fiber. This is in the style Trissa, and I got it in the color Jade. So let me go ahead and show you. So it's sensational. These are the other colors that the hair comes in. This is a deep part wig. I say you get about a good 4 inches of parting, give or take. I do love this green. When I saw this model, I was like, yes, I just had to have it. Now, I had this unit for some time now, just haven't been able to get to this video. So I've been, trying to get all these videos out, this content out for you guys, along with, work and everything. So it's better late than never. I would absolutely rock this outside on any given day. The parting is super amazing, super natural. If you can see, you really don't need any kind of concealer or pressed powder in this part. You don't even need to tweeze it. The front, everything is just the lace just melts into my skin. So you do have to remove the lace from the perimeter of the front, and it does come with combs. So 3 combs, 2 at the temple, 1 at the back, and adjustable straps. As far as big head friendly, it is super big head friendly, and it's really comfortable. It is pretty full, a really good density. It's a little shiny, but that's because of the green, but it's not like overly shiny. The curls are popping, they're amazing. Now, I did experience a little bit of shedding when I removed the lace from the front, as can be expected. As far as tangling, I did experience a little bit of tangling. This is a long wig, so it will tend to tangle. It's also a synthetic wig, but it's nothing that won't stop me from purchase if I was to purchase it. This is a dope wig. The tangling is fairly minimal. Let me give you a little, slay close up. So this is the unit up close. Don't be afraid. The roots are blended well. Absolutely amazing. That parting is amazing. I do have it slightly to the side, and look at this. Get into this color, that jade green. And while I'm having a close-up, let me show you these nails. So these are the nails that I received from Black Hairspray. I absolutely love them. Unfortunately, you would have to cut some of your nails. If you can see right here, you would have to shape your nails to the false nails. But these nails are not going anywhere. They are on. I don't know what glue was in there, but yeah, these nails are on. Some of them are a little narrow for my fingers, and right in here is a little bit wide. So I would suggest following them down here in the corners of the actual false nails before placing them on. So that is the details on the nails, the up close on the nails, and my pros and cons of the nails, and my close-up of this hair. So let's get into that 360, shall we? So that is the specs on this hair. Let me know if you guys like this hair with a thumbs up so I can keep coming to you with more content. I was so in love with this hair that inspired this whole look. I had to come to you with these green lips these green eyes, literally. Thank you, Desio. I'll leave all information in the description box below and leave your comments down below as well in the comment section. I want to say a huge thank you to Black Hairspray for sending me out this hair and these nails. Yeah, as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on Instagram. Stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time. Bye.
I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank.